gonna do it the old-fashioned way. You know you need that. I am Ratchet, I am your friend. Prescribing metal at full volume. We'll show the damn Tourette's their vitals drop. For them I am the Doctor of Doom. This is where I spend my days. I use my thoughts and hands. I'm diagnosing every beat. No patient here can take a seat. I'm here to make the right decision. My diagnosis is full precision. We got a pulse, the crowd's alive. This is the cure you need to survive. To survive. Where is the patient? Time to act, no hesitation. Keep it focused, keep it clean. I'll do what's right for the team. Steady hands, control the stage. My riffs cut through like a surgical blade. This bass will knock you critical. It's alright, I'm an emergency vehicle. I'm here to make the right decision. My diagnosis is full precision. We got a pulse, the crowd's alive. This is the cure you need to survive. To survive. Take it slow and learn the ways. Stay sharp and don't lose your pace. When you're ready, join the journey. We can start a Dynamite army. I'm here to make the right decision. My diagnosis is full precision. We got a pulse, the crowd's alive. This is the cure you need to survive. I'm here to make the right decision. My diagnosis is full precision. We got a pulse, the crowd's alive. This is the cure you need to survive. I need that. I need that. I need that. I need that. The scene is wild, you did press. You rocked hard, no second thought I could prepare that mess. But it's best that I don't. I need that. I need that.
Thank you so much for watching. Please hit like and subscribe, and shout out to the Automatic Singer. Thank you so much for letting me use your songs on my channel.